How to fix Epic Games not sending verification emails. So if you want to fix Epic Games not sending verification emails, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and you need to open up your Gmail that you've used while creating your Epic Games account. Now here, if you don't find the Epic Games mail, then you just need to simply come here to the left side and then go with more section. Under more, you will have spam. You can open up your spam, and under your spam, you may have your Epic Games emails. And if you don't see your emails on your spam also, then it just means that Epic Games might be having some issues or it might be down at the moment. You can simply wait for a few hours and you can try with the verification again and you will receive your emails. And you can also make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have your internet connection, you won't receive the emails, verification emails. So you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try restarting your laptop once and your problem might be fixed. That's how you can fix your Epic Games not sending verification emails. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.